This 20 volts MAX Lithium Ion 6-tool combo kit features DEWALT 20V tools including our DCD996XR Brushless hammer drill driver with a 3-speed transmission and our high-powered, brushless motor. The DCF887 20V MAX XR Brushless 1/4 inch 3-speed impact driver is compact for fitting in tight spaces and increasing productivity. The DCS570 20V MAX XR Brushless circular saw features a brushless motor that provides 5,200 revolutions per minute, maintaining speed under load. The DCS367 20V MAX XR Brushless compact reciprocating saw features a compact and lightweight design to make your jobs easier. The DCG413 20V MAX XR Brushless 4.5 inch 5 inch grinder increases productivity with features like the quick change wheel release, a convenient trigger switch with a lock-off button. The DCL040 LED Flashlight that comes with DEWALT power tools helps illuminate your work area with an output of 110 lumens. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DCD996 and Cordless Tools Combo Kit has a brushless motor for longer runtime and efficiency. Number 2. DCF887 has a brushless motor for longer runtime and efficiency of drill, impact driver combo kit. Number 3. DCS570 which comes with DEWALT cordless tools uses a 7.25 inch blade to provide 2 9/16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees. Number 4. DCF887 has 3 speed settings for versatility with precision drive for added control. Number 5. DCD996 has a heavy-duty 1/2 inch ratcheting nitro carburized metal chuck with carbide inserts for superior bit gripping strength. Number 6. DCS367 has a variable speed trigger with 0 to 2,900 SPM. Number 7. DCG413 has an 8,000 revolutions per minute motor that provides high power for cutting and grinding applications. Number 8. 20V MAX 3-speed hammer drill. Features up to 2.8x faster application speed at 0 to 38, 250 BPM and 2,250 RPM. Is up to 82% more powerful, and provides up to 2.8x more runtime. Number 9. 20V MAX Lithium Ion LED Worklight. Provides your workspace more visibility with hands-free use. LED lights last long, shine bright, and have low heat. Number 10. 20V MAX Cordless Circular Saw. Provides the end user with the power and depth of cut they receive in a corded circular saw with the portability and convenience of cordless. Number 11. 20V MAX XR Compact Reciprocating Saw. A lightweight, compact saw with a variable speed trigger delivering up to 2,900 strokes per minute. It also features a keyless, lever-action 4-position blade clamp for quick and easy blade changes in 4 directions. Number 12. 20V MAX XR Brushless 1/4 inch 3-speed impact driver. Compact for fitting in tight spaces and increasing productivity. 3 LED lights make it ideal for working in the dark. Number 13. 20V MAX Brushless Small Angle Grinder. Requires no time changing brushes, and offers a longer motor life. The kickback brake engages maximum force to stop the wheel when there is a pinch, stall, or bind up to reduce kickback. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.